evangelist mama parts afi na yen shedante nka saaye waba woba yen so de ne ode ba de adutwam wanfa obi amba ye papa ba kuya ye papa Owusu Bempah na cheso obedo so ponum e wontintan so twa na da paase ye ndra kwasia da ya omampani John Mahama de ne die ni obu ewramu wa santemem de enchia kase anasase da kase pa piesie pa ekoma ye papa Ebeneza Opambour one because ye ka sofo edima President John Mahama ye Ebeneza ye papa na se sofo a odimu akotepa otimi deda fam nyina e bompa ye ewura honhom nyina ye hwe John Mahama eni sori na wo hwe ne papa wo ye wase na tum se wodo ye Ghana sando ye President Mahama nti ne nyina so mampani John Mahama ya na wono so oyobi anani so ade mpote owura mu e wo pambo aso ye koda na se enti ye evangelist mama party say ya pa Owusu Bempah yobi a oye hyehe oye huhu afepa no mu se ye ka asofo pa ye prophet ayi Owusu Bempah mama party say won kan wo ye hyehe wonnam wa so dem ho a na wo di social media so nsam na e preaching nsem hunku a nyasa bia no preaching mu kwase asem kwa na sebe o ka kire wa sorry man enti e say won se Ebeneza Opambour wo ye sofo pa na John Mahama pie mu ho no wankofa nkomo hye wankofa ne ka se ne enti John Mahama be back there bi we di obie Psalms obie Psalms wo be bi mpatcho quotation ne de wanfa ma ho na wo bie ye odi preach ye twontwom awurade ene ne kase ye de de awurade ase se John Mahama edi nkonim empanifo be ka se kutie bia eden enim ne wura ye papa Owusu Bempah na so dem ene wo boy kutia say anaso wo ka kire ne members fo ne say sesi ade obia mentie ne ekoso e wo mo ho anaso obia mentie ne ekoso wo no omo sofo no na emo wo mo hwe so na omo som nyame no wo hwe a konfo bi asebe no wo kankan ananse wo se wa sakra na wonam 10 times na wo di 7 kwase asem wo so a ekutie bia nim nura evangelist mama party say wo no na eye Prophet Owusu Bempah edenenti wososo mayenti mbra
upon social media ntokwa cha and odi preach wa mani want no wa mani rain free ni nyame wa mani rain free ni nyame our okan ho edije embaye so he quotes from the Bible, he quotes the scripture tie nyame sam no Bible say the nyame afre no okan nyame sam on kan nwensam the nyame afre no o kanya mesam on kanesam the nyame afre no on social media tokwa Opambour ne preach no he has quoted the scripture from Psalms and already the president Bible say se me honhom ne honhom hia e ma ye hu se mienu ye yakopoma no wonder say President Mahama e ko Opambour wey e breaking news and it's a record nobody can change it wafa Wawie obient means the son. Why ne besune ne? Why ne besune? Why ne besune? Hey, why ne besune? Usu. Where a friend say? Wait, a friend of few, one few. Never feel. Ufio, one few. Never feel. Me come in you so. I am breaking the breaking news. And it's a news in this country. And I am a presenter. So I have the right to break my news. But the one who say about social media, so I bet you in a police station. I'm breaking my news. And this is national news. This is a national news. I'm telling you people the facts. President Nako Opambour, see preaching, no? See preaching, no? See preaching, no? ti ase ebi mu kanfo oponko na ye de ye Yesu no an obo yati no oh me Yesu no no ni o wo bo mabati kundan wo bo mabati kundan Also, the network is bad. Bolav on the so. Bolav on the so. Opambour near the too much. Opambour near the too much. Share. Oh, me papa went to me obedient to be famine to form no. This man. Hey, what you say? Abusia. Say no. I can't depend you. Eja oba ani sunsumu kronkron me ba the video na JM Suma speech. JM also give us JM also give us a speech. So you about JM Su speech no. You about JM speech no. Eja oba ani sunsumu kronkron miensa. And you say no, Opambour Ebenezer Dakwa Yadom, the nation prophets. One on as I say no, ya Papa Mahama, listen to the analysis that I'm doing. Eja Oba, any sunsum kronkron, and a nam warm so, and a JM, and a president. So now no, ya Papa Mahama, Akwa Papa Opambour ho. And you say no, Opambour Ebenezer Dakwa Yadom or ye eja. We are waiting for the Oba and the Susu Krongron. And as for me and you know the Oba and the Susu Krongron. We have got eja, Oba and the Susu Krongron. What must say? So we are waiting for the Oba and the Susu Krongron. And you know when we are voting for Oba, Badu Kobi is there. If we are waiting for Oba, Prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi is there. And nobody can take it from him. We are a spiritual vote. And we, the spiritual gurus, we are voting for it. Yes, baby, I did yes, channel. One fan shahwa, a free talk, a eja, Oba, and so kron. And now we have given the eja to prophets, the nation prophets, Papa Badu Kobi. Obano, nobody can take it from ya Papa ya can say Badu Kobi, Prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi, the Prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi. Ono ya be Obano obedient being influenced. And when it comes to the Susun Kron, then I Jogazi too is there. So me, I'm doing my analysis. So me, I'm doing my rare analysis. The Eja and Oba and the Susukoko. Me, I'm doing my rare analysis. Don't take me, say me, you verse me, oh. Me, don't verse me, oh. I'm doing my analysis. So we are all waiting. The next person where our president will go. So now, the ballot people was Eja, Oba, and Susukoko. And we have got the Oba. We have got the Eja. So we are waiting for the Oba. When the Oba come, I will come and do my analysis.
But I say so, makra.